wannabes, get in here and get ready for your lineup.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Wanna?
You didn't bring food.
I don't
out
give
there.
a
You didn't
F1.
bring. Only people that brought food.
I don't give a F1.
Jamie,
Oh, no, tell him talking to us like that. What the hell is
Cindy, where's she? There she is. Who else we got? No, you didn't bring food. Get in there. Only people that brought food. The chef wannabes. We got us something planned here. Okay. Jamie, did you bring your cookies? You whip out chef wannabe. I had perfect stuff lined up for you.
My mom brought 2 cheesecakes. Yeah, I brought 2 cheesecakes.
That should work. One for you and one
Please,
for
chef.
her. Yeah.
Well, okay.
You're a chef by your mom.
By proxy, because she brought
Chef by
two cheesecakes.
association.
Chef by association.
Yeah.
Say that 5 times.
Chef by association. Chef. I give up.
Chef, we brought wine, chef.
I know. I don't care. It's not food.
That's just as good as any food. Don't
You didn't
worry.
make it.
Get on my list.
Yes, chef.
All right, everybody, in line for inspection.
Yes,
One,
chef.
two,
Yes,
yes,
chef.
No drinks in hand. Chefs don't carry wine around with them.
She's taste testing your chef.
That's the cutest apron.
Yeah, I can't operate otherwise.
Get that apron on. What kind of silly apron is that? Where's your bandana, girl? All right, get on. All right, we're gonna start here. Is everybody ready to introduce their whatever they made?
Food.
Yes, chef.
All right, we're gonna start with the hors d'oeuvres. Who made the hors d'oeuvres?
In the wine, sir.
Let me go first. I'm sorry. Hors d'oeuvres first.
Hey, chef.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
All right. Let's show us. Sample your show your hors d'oeuvre here. I need to sample one.
Oh.
With the tomato? Yes, chef. I'll take a small one. Oh my God! Where did you get these mushrooms out of your front yard? Why are they using premium mushrooms here at Hell's Kitchen? What were you thinking? You think we can serve that to our guests? Redo those!
Yes, chef.
All right, next in line, salad.
Salad, chef.
No, you didn't do. Oh, you did salad. Debbie, where's the salad chef? Salad chef, where are you? Salad chef, you're not in line. Get in line.
I'm here waiting for you to get done with your mess.
No, get in line. You're in line for inspection. All right, Kyle, you can get in line for her. Come
He said,
on.
I didn't yell that for nothing. I just got paid for that.
All right, let's see. What kind of salad did you make? Chef Tracy.
Artichoke hearts, tomatoes, olives, capers, and mozzarella.
That looks like crap.
Yes, chef. I think it looks pretty damn pretty, chef.
Well, that's your opinion. You think people want to eat that crap?
Opinions and buttholes. Everyone has one, chef.
All right. Well, looks a little dry. What'd you do? Heat in the oven?
No, chef.
Not this time.
All right. Bread is next. Who brought the bread?
I did, chef. Wait, that's not my bread.
You expect to serve this to people? It's hard as a rock. No, it's hard as a football. Our chef is
We're gonna bust the gut here.
Peed my pants.
Ew.
Okay, later.
Cut. Clean up. I'm kidding.
Clean up aisle.
So.
Well, is the rest of it as hard as that piece was?
No, chef.
All right, put it back on the table. All right, what's next? Oh, main course. Who did the main course? I did, chef. Okay. What's it supposed to be? Chicken. Oh, chicken spinach lasagna, chef.
Oh yeah, cool.
Well, it looks like crap with cat litter on top of it. What? You expect people to eat that?
Did you know that
Yes,
you have
chef.
a personality?
That's the way it's supposed to look.
All right, Jordan, that's enough. We're hungry.
Really?
All right, who made the dessert?
I did, chef.
And
Oh
who
yeah,
else?
me too, dude. I mean, chef.
We're not family.
What is that? What kind of cheese? What is that?
It's white chocolate cheesecake, chef, with a milk chocolate swirl, chef, and a strawberry swirl too, chef.
I see no strawberry. Where is it?
It sort of is tucked in amongst the chocolate, chef.
All right,
That's why I don't wash it.
sit down.
Oh, please don't be mean to me. Please don't be mean to me.
All right, everybody dig in.
One word's as good as 10. Open